The long wait is over and Filmora 15 is here. In this video, I will try to give you a little overview on what you will expect on this new Filmora version and why is it worth upgrading from 14 to 15. Let's start with this new AI Extend, where your short video clip can be continued or extended based on your prompt that can go up to 8 seconds extension. Check this video. The frame ended up at 5 seconds where the man is suspended mid-air. Let's try to use AI Extend here. Once you drag it to the length or duration that you want, all you have to do is to write a prompt where AI will base its generation of the extension of your clip. Remember that the clearer your prompt is, the more efficient you can use this tool. As you can see, the AI-generated extension followed the subject and made another 5-second video to extend this original clip. I made a step-by-step tutorial on how to use this tool. Please check it out. As a teacher myself, I really like this another new feature in Filmora 15, which is called Animated Charts. Here you can input data for whatever presentation you will have, and Filmora 15 can generate an animated chart for you, whether it's a donut chart, bar graph, line graph, etc. This will be a good tool for your future school projects or any business presentations. Another new feature is source and timeline preview editing. I find this helpful when switching between timeline and selected clip or source video. Especially if I only want to add a particular segment of the clip in the timeline, I can just mark in and mark out and insert the selected starting and ending point of the clip without the need to trim and delete it in the timeline. A time saver and organizer for me. In Filmora 14, we've had a pen tool, very helpful for masking and other element addition, but this time, Filmora 15 improved this tool and made it possible to apply cool effects on your marked portions. As you can see, once you're done drawing, you can add effects on it and tweak some settings to make it cooler. Another feature that I really like is this sub-project importing and dual timeline editing. In Filmora 14, you can't open 2 or more projects at the same time. You'll have to close one to open another. But in Filmora 15, it's now possible to have 2 or more editing timeline open at the same time. This is really a game changer because you can now edit complex projects, copy clips from one timeline, and paste it to another with ease. If you're working on 2 projects but have the same flow, this will really help a lot. Video editors like me will understand how big of a help is this. How about exporting? Of course you are allowed to export any of the opened projects or timeline. Just select whatever you want to export and that's it. Overall, I think the new Filmora 15 is definitely a game changer, and yes, they are still starting, and for sure they have a lot to offer in the near future. If you like the software, you may try it using the link in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you on my next one.